come to share some information with you know. Don't beat me. Big dirty raunchy song in the big Sunday. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, and if dancehall is not your thing, then exit stage left now. I don't want to see your complaints in the comment section below. Vybz Kartel self is stamp it like Postmaster. That was my funniest line in this song. We are talking about raw, unapologetic, extra X-rated WAP. WAP is the mega hit that just got released, but WAP, it's called the freemix. You know, them have like remix, so this is not a remix, it's a freemix. But it's a remix. It is a mega remix that has A-listers in the music and entertainment industry turning their heads at it right now. Matter of fact, the owner of the song WAP, Cardib, multi-platinum selling, you don't know Cardib already, big A-list artist, jumped on Vybz Kartel right away. Shouldn't really jump on him, you know, if you know what I mean, but she jumped on his Instagram and she said this. She said yes, she want it now. She want it right now. And guess what Kartel do? He did oblige. He give it right now. It's just like the concept of popcorn. Him says a fixed tape is not a mixtape. Okay, well this is a, what call again? A free mix, not a remix. Anyway, like Buju Banton said, right? I am not arguing the content of the lyrics. This is about the man's relevancy. His relevancy to the culture. His dominance, I say. His dominance of the genre and his ability to fly out without leaving a prison cell. Talk the truth. Kartel just did this big whole collaboration out of nowhere, signed and certified by the individual that actually owns the material, and there's a lot of controversy surrounding this song right now. Politicians are jump on it. They are not saying the best of things, all kind of thing. All meanwhile, it has hit top Billboard and shattered records. All right, now the dominance of the genre of dancehall, the ability to fly out and leave Jamaica. You know what? I was just about to review some more dancehall because things are going right now. Some of my favorite artists them have stepped up, but you know, Kartel are the ultimate as far as that is concerned. So me just sit back and think like, say, yo, it's like every time the man them drop something that is hot and the place wake up, Kartel just come and drop something hotter and just take away all of the steam. I just saw the thing go. Dancehall is a very competitive space, and if you can't take the heat, come out of the kitchen. 2 albums in 1 year, many hits in between, and mega collaborations with international A-list artists. And then this, and all this is done from a jail cell in Jamaica or from a prison. Imagine if this is a man that did their road. Remember, you know, we talk about the elevation of dancehall music. A lot of people are saying, yo, dancehall died out, son. It's not like back in the 90s when you had Bounty Killer doing collaborations with No Doubt. Mega huge money, which I'm sure Bounty still has spent them the check there from that collaboration there. You understand? Where is dancehall now on the international stage with the A-list collaborations? And this man I do it from a prison in a Jamaica. It bad. Even the song, the song bad, you frig. Like I said in the beginning, raunchy, big dirty raunchy song. And if this is not your thing, then you needed to exit about 5 minutes ago. Alright, now WAP, if you don't know it, this is by Cardib and Megan Thee Stallion. Cardib is the owner of the song. It is actually the lead single off of Cardib's second studio album. Do you know how hard it is to get on the lead single of someone's like Cardib's status in the music industry, and you jump on the lead single and she co-sign it? This is the lead single off of her new album. The lead single. And talk all you want, even the people them we don't like it. It is what it is. Numbers Don't Lie was released on Atlantic Records on August 7th, and Kartel mash it up like right away. And Cardi B co-signed the mash up right away. She said it before in the past though that Vybz Kartel is one of her favorite artists. We see videos already where she wind up in the club and in her house even playing Vybz Kartel music. So it's no doubt that these people are fans, genuine fans of his music. And if you don't remember, Russian with a link with Cardi B, and we were saying that, yo, a collaboration between Vybz Kartel and Cardi B, it a go mad. Well, blows her skirt if it not mad. Watch ya! See it ya? See it ya? It screams sexual liberation. People, make me look at it from another angle real quick before I finish this video. It screams sexual liberation for women. Hear what? Men get to flex this muscle all the time. You know, the man them stay already, yo, me turn on and wear the dog and fuck, and they put it in songs. Head are going down like this, and put bobbing like a chicken head, put it in songs, full up your neck and your tonsil. All them things, they put it in songs, and then they act like the females aren't allowed to do the same. So I said that this song actually screams sexual liberation, which is one of the things that Vybz Kartel is most known for. Why do you think the woman them love the man like that? Why only things that the woman them like love Vybz Kartel like that? It is because he is a fighter for their rights, and not from the angle that you get to see it. Sexual liberation of the woman. Some people go like say the woman not supposed to like it. She not supposed to tell you say so she want it. She not supposed to tell you say do me that way, turn round, turn me that way. You know what I say? So this screams sexual liberation for women. Men flex that muscle all the time. And the women are saying in the song that they can do it too. They can take command too. They can talk dirty too. They can get raunchy. They can say how them like it. Be comfortable during and enjoy the sex. What? Without all the tags that come along from society. You know, some man a run down enough girl and him have one over yasso and yasso and yasso. He's sleeping with 3 and 4 different women, right? And everybody is saying, yo, a bad man, that you know, yo, he's a player, he's a pimp, yo, you the man, you a gallus. But a girl do the same thing and go you here. I won't hear that, you know. Yeah, you see how much man she take and all these things. So that is the front line of that fight. Anyhow, at the song me I talk about WAP. Click the link in the description below and listen how Vybz Kartel sit down pan the rhythm like a tire pan a rim. Beat it and beat it like a cock. Yo, the thing bad, you fuck me gone, yeah, man, go listen to it again. Click the link and listen to the song. No, it bad. I'm out.